Man, this is Sasha, this is Johan.
Hello.
Hello. And how was the aerobatic flight?
Man, it was awesome. I'd love to do it again.
So,
and I want more.
You guys should come fly with the gliders, because with those Airbuses up there, you're not using the controls anymore.
No.
So you should come here, practice spins, do loops, have fun, because man, you're flying with boring things. You should come here and have more fun.
You heard what he said.
Okay.
You can wrench. Go for it.
This is a nice stall.
Oh yeah. Yes. Fuck yeah. Yes. Do it. Woohoo!
Kicking. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's so cool.
Do a loop together.
Okay.
And here I release.
I see.
Now to neutral, then I pull again.
Okay.
And here I pull more. And here I release. Okay?
Yeah.
On the other side now.
Oh man. Wow. Look at that. That's just quiet.
Okay. And then I put the glider in the spin,
yes.
Hold back, spinning, and release, and out.
That is so awesome, man. I love it.
Let's do the zero gravity thing.
Yes.
Here, zero gravity. Ah, this is nice.
No flare.
No flare.
Are you gonna flare or what?
No, I'm not gonna flare. You're perfect. Don't do anything, keep it like this. Don't flare. See, we will touch down.
Oh wow, and it's so low. Awesome.
I have it.
You have control. Right into the hangar, huh?
Almost.